The Amazon Web Services cloud management system now has over 1 million clients and generates $10 billion in revenue annually. Kellogg's, Samsung, Unilever, Nokia, Netflix, Adobe are the majority of international corporations trust the platform. So, hello everyone, I'm Shamli and I'm going to take you through this new video of Simply Learn on top 10 reasons to choose AWS. Through the medium of this video, I'm going to give you top 10 reasons to choose, adapt, learn, and explore AWS. But before moving ahead, let me give you an overview of the concept of AWS for your better understanding. Amazon Web Services, AWS, is a cloud computing platform that manages and maintains hardware and infrastructure, reducing the expense and complexity of purchasing and running resources on site for businesses and individuals. These resources are available for free or for a fee per usage. It is a comprehensive and simple to use computing platform offered by Amazon. Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and packaged software as a service are all used to build the platform. So let's move ahead and explore the top 10 reasons to choose AWS, starting with the first one, which is flexible pricing options. The most popular motivation for learning AWS is because of its cost-effective pricing alternatives. AWS provides a year of free access to the free tier, which is ideal for novices who wish to learn about AWS technology. For beginners, we believe this is plenty. AWS is highly customizable with pay-as-you-go options to match any company need. Flexible pricing is a great approach to scale up or down the architecture as needed. The AWS tariffs are comparable to those for water and electricity. Second reason to proceed with is the global architecture. One of the most appealing features of AWS is that it is offered in 24 different zones across 16 different countries. You can connect to the server from any country. You may use all of the advantages by hiring an AWS developer from anywhere. There are no restrictions on who can use the servers based on their location. Third is automated multi-region backups. AWS offers a variety of backup options, including AMIs and EBS snapshots. AWS's decentralized design and global reach makes storing crucial data in several geographical locations simple and cost-effective. As a result, if your main production environment is brought down by a natural or man-made calamity, your backup data will be unaffected. Third-party solutions can also let businesses automate backups between AWS sites without the need for internal scripting. Fourth reason that we will come across is flexibility and scalability. One of the most valuable AWS features is its flexibility. It lets you pick your operating system, programming language, web application platform, database, and other services. AWS provides a virtual environment in which your application may load all of the services it requires. It also makes data migration easier. When demand increases or drops, auto-scaling and elastic load balancing techniques are automatically scaled up or down via AWS. AWS approaches are useful for dealing with unpredictably high or unpredictable loads. Organizations gain from lower cost and more user satisfaction as a result of this. Moving on, fifth is streamlined recovery. Even a small bit of downtime or data loss might be disastrous for some services. For others, the cost of downtime data loss is not greater than the expense of maintaining a multi-site hot standby recovery strategy. Regardless of your organization's resilience to downtime or data loss, AWS Adaptable Platform can provide you with the tools you need to implement a disaster recovery strategy. In the event of a disaster, AWS Disaster Recovery restores your data fast across several locations. Sixth one is PaaS offering. The most prevalent model is platform as a service, which has a market share of roughly 32% and is likely to rise in the next few years. A platform as a service solution provides a platform for developers to construct unique, configurable software and is a popular choice for enterprises looking to create unique apps without spending a fortune or shouldering all of the responsibilities. Seventh reason I will take you through is customization. Customization for AWS Control Tower is a solution that combines AWS Control Tower with other highly available trusted AWS services to assist customers set up a secure multi-account AWS environment faster and more efficiently using AWS best practices. Customers must first have an AWS Control Tower landing zone set up in the account before installing the solution. Eighth one is scheduling. AWS clients can start and stop services at any moment. Thanks to its service scheduling feature, you can keep track of your assets, pay for the service you use, and run them at a certain time. It enables you to create sample planners to test consumers' viability and schedule services as required. Consider Elastic Computing Cloud, EC2, and Relational Database Service as examples of scheduling services. You are not required to conduct these services on a daily basis. Set the timetable for the service based on the day of the week you utilize it. Ninth is security. AWS provides the same level of world-class security to small startups as well as enterprise-size behemoths. The commercial data center meets the highest conceivable standards, saving you the trouble of needing to defend your own data centers. AWS also maintains a large number of compliance processes in its infrastructure, as well as a large security help network that may provide real-time information about suspicious tasks and potential vulnerabilities. And the last one, the 10th reason, is third-party APIs. AWS API implies that you can manage your cloud-based facilities in a variety of languages, in line with the platform's entire versatility. It also means that third-party solutions, such as yours, can take advantage of all of AWS time and cost savings feature. You can automate ordinary but necessary AWS processes without the use of coding, from automated backups to EC2 and RDS instances. Well, this brings us to the end of this video on top 10 reasons to learn AWS. Do let me know what are your thoughts on AWS after exploring these reasons. We have almost reached the end of this video. If I missed anything important, do let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video on top 10 reasons to choose AWS and learn something new from it. If you like this video, then please do hit the like button. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates and videos from Simply.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.